Hello guys, welcome to Sim Tech Hub. So a lot of Ghanaians have been contacting me on how to buy USDT in Ghana using their mobile money account on Binance. And in this video, I want to show you guys how you can buy USDT on Binance using your mobile money account. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me take you to my Binance account to show you guys how you can use your mobile money account, whether MTN or Telecel, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, or any mobile money network account to buy your USDT on Binance. Okay, this is a very simple thing to do, and this video will guide you on how you can do that. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me open my Binance account. And if you're new to Binance, I'll leave the link of Binance in this video description for you guys to use to register account to join Binance. Okay, so let me open my Binance account. You can see this is my Binance account and I have just $8 in my account. Okay, so let me show you guys how to buy USDT using your mobile money in your Binance account. Okay, you can buy USDT using your MOMO, whether MTN or Vodafone Cash or whatever. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to add a payment method to your Binance account. Okay, so to do that, you need to click on this Binance logo over here. Okay, so you click on this Binance logo. If your Binance is in light, you just need to click on this to switch it to Pro. Okay, you switch it to Pro. You can see my Binance is in Pro. Okay, this is a professional Binance dashboard. Okay, so you just click on this Binance icon over here, then you click on the settings. Okay, then you scroll down and you select your payment currency. Okay, whether you are in Ghana or any country, but this video is for Ghanaians on how they can use their MOMO to buy USDT or any crypto in Ghana. So you choose payment currency, then you search for GSH. Okay, then you click on this. Okay, you can see I have already clicked on this, so it's already ticked. Okay, then you click on payment method. Okay, you click on this payment method, then you click on add payment method. You click on this P2P payment method. Okay, because we'll be using P2P to buy the USDT using your MOMO. Okay, so you click on this P2P payment method, then you add your payment method. You can see I have added my payment method, my MOMO. This is my MTN MOMO, my MTN, my Vodafone Cash, my bank, my Access Bank account. Okay, you can add your payment method. So if you want to use MTN to buy the USDT, you just need to click on add new payment method. Then you search for the MTN over here. You can search for MTN. Let me type it well, MTN. Then you add your MTN payment method. Okay, MTN mobile money. Okay, if you want to use Vodafone Cash to buy your USDT, you just have to search for Vodafone Cash. Then you click on this, then you add your payment method. You add your Vodafone Cash account. Okay, so when you are done adding your payment method, then let me guide you on how to buy USDT on Binance. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, when you get to this place, you just need to click on this wallet. Okay, you click on wallet, then you click on funding. Okay, you see funding over here, so you click on funding, then you click on P2P. Okay, you see P2P over here, so you click on P2P, and this will appear. You see an interface like this in your Binance account. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to click on this filter over here. We click on that, then we turn this off. Okay, we turn this off. Let's click on this, then we confirm it. Okay, after that we click on this payment. Okay, we click on this payment, then we select the payment method we added to our P2P. Okay, the payment method you want to use to buy your USDT, whether MTN or Vodafone or which payment method you want to use in Ghana, you just search it here. Okay, so you can see Vodafone Cash is here, or you can just type Vodafone Cash over here. Okay, you can type Vodafone Cash, then you click on it, then you click on confirm. Okay, so all the merchants that will appear, you can use your Vodafone Cash to make a deposit. Okay, if you want to use the MTN, your MTN mobile money, you just need to search MTN over here, or you can choose it over here. You can see MTN is here. You can just click on MTN and confirm. Okay, and all the merchants you see here are MTN merchants. Okay, meaning you can use your MTN to buy the USDT. Okay, so let me guide you guys on how to buy it. Okay, I want to use the Vodafone Cash to make the deposit, okay, to my Binance account. So I'll just choose Vodafone Cash and click on confirm. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of merchants over here. Okay, you can see this merchants with a rate of 16.34 Ghana cedi, meaning if you want to buy from this merchant, $1 is 16.34 cedis. Okay, if you want to buy from this merchant, it means $1 is 16.35 cedis. Okay, if you want to buy from this merchant to $1 is 16.35 cedis. And each merchant has a limit you can buy from. Okay, you can see this merchant start from 100 cedis, meaning you can buy from 100 cedis from this merchant. Okay, and this merchant too, you can buy from 80 cedis. You can see the limit start from 80. You can buy from 80 cedis from this merchant. Okay, you can scroll through to find any merchant you want to use to buy. Okay, and also you need to choose a good rate to buy. Okay, so let's start from this one. Let me buy. You can buy 100 cedis from this merchant called is God Crypto. Okay, so if I'm interested with this merchant, I'll just click on buy to buy from this merchant. Okay, when I get to this place, I'll just enter the amount I want to buy. Okay, this is on fiat. You can see fiat over here. Fiat means your country currency. Okay, so if you want to buy 200 cedis, you just have to type in 200 cedis. Okay, but if you want to see it in dollars, you just need to click on this buy crypto. Okay, then you enter the amount in dollars. Maybe you want to buy $10, you enter the $10 over here and you see the amount you will pay. You will pay 164. Okay, if I want to buy $10, I'll pay 164. Okay, but if you want to type in your country currency, you just need to click this buy fiat, then enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say 170 or 200 Ghana cedi. Okay, you can see I will receive 12.18 USDT if I pay 200 Ghana cedis. Okay, so if I'm interested with the rate, I'll just click on this place order. Okay, so order is created. Okay, what you have to do now is to click on this chat to contact the merchant. Okay, so let me click on this chat to contact the merchant. You can see the merchant is not online right now. Okay, so let me contact the merchant. Maybe hello, then I'll type buying USDT 200 cedis. Okay, so let's wait for the merchant to come online. Okay, but if the merchant is still not online, you can cancel this order and move to another merchant. Okay, so I've been waiting for this merchant to come online and up to now he's still not online. So what I have to do is to go back. I'll just click on this arrow to go back, then I'll cancel the order so that I'll place another order on a different merchant. Okay, so let me cancel the order. Okay, so they are saying if I have already paid the seller, please I shouldn't cancel the order. Okay, but in this case I haven't paid the seller right now. I haven't paid or I haven't made any payment, so I just need to tick on this, then I'll cancel the order. Yeah, because I haven't made any payment. The merchant is not online. Okay, so I'll click on cancel order so that I can move to another merchant. Okay, let me take no response from the seller. Okay, I'll choose no response from the seller because the seller is not online. Okay, then I'll click on confirm cancellation. Okay, I'll just click on tick this, then click on confirm cancellation. Okay, so order has been cancelled. I just cancelled this order. So let me move to another merchant. Okay, let me click on P2P. Let me refresh. This merchant is not online. Okay, the first one is not online. So let me select this salesman. Okay, this salesman. Let me buy from this salesman. The limit is 200 cedis, meaning I can buy from only 200 cedis. Okay, so I'll just click on buy. Then I'll enter the amount I want to buy, 200 cedis. Then I'll click place order. Then I'll chat the merchant. Okay, I'll chat the merchant. Okay, this merchant is online. Okay, so let me type hello. Hello. I'm buying USDT 200 cedis. Okay. So let me wait for the merchant to respond so that I can proceed to make payments. Okay. So the merchant just replied right now to proceed, and let me reply the merchant. Okay. I'm making payments now. Okay, so I just replied the merchant that I'm making payments now. Okay, so what I have to do now is to go to my payment method to make a payment. Okay, so I'll just click on this view payment details. You can see view payment details over here. So I'll click on that. Okay, and I'll see the details of the merchant. Okay, so since I'm using Vodafone Cash, we use till number to make payments. Okay, I'll click on this to copy the till number. Then I will go to my account to make a deposit of 200 cedis. So let me go to my account right now and type in, I'm withdrawing 200 cedis to the merchant, okay, to agent. So I'll paste in my till number. I'll confirm the till number. Then I'll enter the amounts I want to send, okay, 200 cedis. Then I'll enter my PIN. And I need to confirm this before I'll proceed. Okay, this is correct. So I'll just click on confirm to send the 200 cedis to the merchant. Okay. So I have done the transaction. I just have to go to the merchant. Then I'll click on this notify seller. Okay, I'll click on transferred notified seller. So I'll click on that. And I need to upload a payment proof. Okay, so I'll just go to my account. Okay, then I'll take a screenshot. Okay, let me take a screenshot. Okay, then I'll just save this and upload. Okay, so I'll just click on this plus to upload the screenshot I took. Okay, so I'll just upload a screenshot and click on transferred notify seller. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, so let's wait for the seller to confirm that he has received the 200 cedis I sent. Okay, and when the seller confirmed the payment, he will proceed to send the USDT to my account. Okay, so I'm waiting for the seller to confirm the transaction. Okay, so the merchant has confirmed the transaction and made the deposit to my account. Okay, so this is how you can buy USDT using your mobile money account. Okay, let me go back. You can see the transaction is completed, everything is successful. I made a deposit of 200 cedis and I got 12.16 USDT. Okay, so let me go to my account. Let me go back. You can see this has refreshed. At first I was having like $7 in my account. So let me click on this USDT. Okay, to see the history. You can see history. I just bought the $12 right now using my MOMO. I paid 200 cedis to buy this. Okay, and these are the ones I canceled because those merchants were not online. Okay, so if this video helped you to buy USDT using MOMO in Ghana, you can use your MTN mobile money or Vodafone Cash to buy USDT in Ghana. Then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.